Hello everyone, I am Kyla M. Cornejo and I will be your teacher in Lesson 19, which is titled Technology for Evaluating Student Learning. In the final phase of the 5E instructional model developed by Bybee and Landis in 1990, evaluation takes center stage. Here, students are encouraged to reflect on their learning journey while teachers monitor progress towards educational objectives. This phase emphasizes the use of both traditional and innovative assessment methods, from paper and pencil tests to performance-based evaluations and digital tools. In this lesson, we will explore the integration of educational technology in evaluating student learning, whether in traditional classrooms or virtual settings. Before we start with this lesson, these are my learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to determine EdTech applications that can be used in evaluating student learning, use one EdTech application in evaluating students' learning on a particular lesson, and present your technology-based evaluation tool through an EdTech show. Evaluation is the process of judging or putting a value on a learning process using established criteria to identify the degree to which knowledge or skill has been gained and applied. The purpose of an evaluation is to judge the quality of learning. The last phase is evaluation, wherein you evaluate the students' understanding of the lesson, the skills they develop, their ability to apply the lesson learned, and the changes in their thinking. Quote, Narwastin Pute and Sabahan, 2014. This phase also focuses on inquiry-based setting, which includes both formal and informal assessment approaches. For instance, according to Duran and Duran, 2004, the use of non-traditional forms of assessments such as portfolios, performance-based assessments, concept maps, physical models, or journal logs may serve as significant evidence of student learning. Furthermore, this phase entails you to observe student behaviors as they explore and apply new concepts and skills, assess students' knowledge and skills, encourage students to assess their own learning, and ask open-ended questions. While students should demonstrate an understanding or knowledge of concepts and skills, evaluate his or her own progress, answer open-ended questions, and provide reasonable responses and explanations to events or phenomena. Quote, Barufaldi, 2002. There are several teacher-friendly and free educational technology applications on the internet. Your main goal is to determine and integrate those applications in assessing your students, whether you are using face-to-face, modular, blended, or online distance learning as your learning delivery mode. This module will only provide you with only a few EdTech applications. There are still more to discover in the World Wide Web, so keep exploring other apps for more interactive ways of evaluating your students. The following slides are some of the interactive and user-friendly educational technology applications that you may use in evaluating students' learning. First one is cloud-based repository systems. There are now cloud-based student response systems that allow you to create a simple quizzes that students can take quickly on laptops or more often via classroom, tablet, computers, or their own smartphones. They offer the following features. They allow you to accommodate 50 students per room and one public room for your class. You can launch one activity at a time. You can create multiple choice, true or false, or short answer test types. Activities can either be teacher-paced, can be used during classroom instruction, or student-paced for use as a more traditional class and exit ticket or quiz. Here are some examples of cloud-based repository applications. First is Google Drive. Google Drive offers file storage, sharing, and collaborative editing features. Second is Dropbox. Dropbox allows file storage, sharing, and synchronization across devices. Third is Microsoft OneDrive. It provides file storage, sharing, and integration with Microsoft Office applications. And there are many more that you can search up in the World Wide Web. Next up is quiz generating applications. There are online applications which allow you to conduct student-based formative assessments in a fun and engaging way for students of all ages. There are several salient features of these apps. First, these are student-based. Questions appear on each student's screen, so they can answer questions at their own pace and review their answers at the end. Second, these are Bring Your Own Device or BYOD. They can be played by students using any kind of device with a browser, including PCs, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Third, these have thousands of public quizzes which are readily available, created by teachers around the world. There are several quiz-generating applications available, like Quizlet, Kahoot, and the famous Quizizz. These platforms allow users to create quizzes on various subjects and share them with others for educational or entertainment purposes. They often come with features like customizable questions, interactive elements, and performance tracking. Next is online grading machines. These apps are ideal for modular, blended, and even online learning. They turn your phone or tablet into an optical grading machine. They read free-to-download answer sheets in multiple sizes. Moreover, they can provide instant feedback to students by grading exit tickets, quizzes, and formative assessments as soon as they finish. There are several online grading tools used in education. One popular option is Turnitin, which not only checks for plagiarism, but also provides grading and feedback features. Another one is Gradescope, which allows instructors to grade assignments online, including handwritten work. And then there's Google Classroom, which has built-in grading features for assignments submitted through the platform. These tools help streamline the grading process and provide feedback to students efficiently. Next is online survey platforms. These free online survey platforms allows you to collect necessary information or data to your students. These are best in creating both supply and select types of tests and include the following test types: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-down, linear scale, tick box grid, or simply ask the students to upload their tasks. One commonly used online survey platform in education is Google Forms. It's popular because it's easy to use, integrates well with other Google services like Google Drive, and allows for the creation of various types of surveys and forms. Teachers often use Google Forms to gather feedback from students, conduct quizzes, or collect data for research projects. Next is rubric generating applications. If you want to evaluate the performance tasks of your students but do not have plenty of time to formulate your needed rubrics from scratch, these tools are the ones you need. They provide generic rubrics that can be customized based on your need and can simply be printed or used for many projects and research assignments. Some of the tasks with readily available rubrics are oral projects like class debate, historical roleplay, interview, and the like. Next is products like making a brochure, a game, a map, a poster, a newspaper, and the like. Next is multimedia, which are digital storytelling, HyperStudio, multimedia project, storyboard, and the like. Next is science, which is building a structure, a lab report, a science fair experiment, and the like. Next is research and writing, or 6+1 grade writing model, book jacket report, group planning, letter writing, persuasive essay, research report, and the like, and many more. Overall, this lesson emphasizes the importance of leveraging technology to facilitate effective and engaging assessment methods in education. Thank you for listening. How about you? What do you prefer? The traditional or non-traditional type of evaluation? Let me know. If you have any more questions, you can reach me here in my Gmail and Facebook account.